My simple day at the cafe. My name is Emma, and I would like to tell you about a simple day in my life. I live in a small city, and I really enjoy quiet mornings and relaxing afternoons with my friends. My day usually starts with the sound of my alarm at 7 o'clock in the morning. At first, I feel a little sleepy, but I slowly get up and open the window. Fresh air comes into my room, and the morning feels peaceful. After that, I go to the kitchen and make a cup of coffee. I also prepare a small breakfast with toast and fruit. While I eat breakfast, I like to look at my phone and check messages from my friends. Sometimes we make plans for the day. After breakfast, I put on my clothes and get ready for the day. I choose something comfortable and simple. Around 9 o'clock, I sit at my desk for a while. I read a book or study English for about 30 minutes. Learning English is something I really enjoy because it helps me understand people from different countries. Later in the morning, I do a little exercise. I work out for about 15 minutes in my room. It is not a difficult workout. I just do some stretching and simple movements to feel more energetic. Around noon, my friend Lily sends me a message. She asks if I want to meet at our favorite cafe. Of course, I say yes. I quickly finish my small tasks at home and get ready to leave. Then I go out and walk toward the cafe. The cafe is not far from my house. It is a cozy place with warm lights, soft music, and the smell of fresh coffee. When I arrive, my friends are already there. They smile and wave when they see me. We sit at a table near the window. The cafe is calm, and people are talking quietly around us. I order a cappuccino and a small cake. We spend time talking about our week, our plans, and funny things that happened recently. Sometimes we laugh a lot. Sometimes we simply enjoy the quiet moment. After some time, we decide to walk around the city. Before we leave the cafe, we clean up our table and thank the staff. Outside, the weather is nice and sunny. We walk slowly through the streets and enjoy the afternoon together. Moments like this remind me how important friendships are. Life can be busy sometimes, but small moments with friends make the day special. In the evening, I return home feeling happy and relaxed. Before going to bed, I like to think about the good moments of the day. For me, happiness is not always something big. Sometimes it is simply a warm cup of coffee, a peaceful cafe, and good friends sitting round the same table. And these small moments are what make life beautiful. Thank you so much for watching this story. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to create more English stories for you. If you want to improve your English with simple stories, don't forget to follow the channel. And now I have a question for you. Do you like going to cafes with your friends? Write your answer in the comments below. I would love to read about your experiences. See you in the next story.